Hey guys, it's Michael again with e-conolight here to introduce a new product. This is the Leviton Decora dimmer with Bluetooth. And when e-conolight sent this to me to install, I needed a place to put it. So I asked my friend Andrea, hey, is there a place you'd like a dimmer?
Yeah, and when you asked me, the first place I thought of was my bedroom, because at night when I'm reading or doing crossword puzzles, I want a light that I can adjust. Maybe rather than full blast, I can bring it down a little bit. And so the best part about this too is I don't even have to get out of bed when I'm done with it. So I can just turn it off from my phone.
So you're just too lazy to get out of bed?
Yeah, well, I think so. I think
okay.
I definitely am.
I am too. Well, you ready to install it?
Let's do it.
All right.
Okay, first, turn off your power. Remove your old switch. Connect your power supply accordingly. Then secure your faceplate. Once the dimmer is installed, go ahead and download the Decora digital dimmer and timer app. Then you want to sync the dimmer to your mobile device. Decora digital controls provide local control within a 30-foot range without the need of a hub, gateway, or internet connection. And they're compatible with Apple and Android smartphones and tablets. They're ideal for practically any room in your house and even your office.
Okay, so there you have it. Andrea, how easy was that?
Guys, as someone who's never installed a light switch before, if I can do it, anyone can.
If you want lighting controls in the palm of your hand as well, check out these Leviton Decora dimmers with Bluetooth at e-conolight.com. And don't forget, orders over $500 ship for free. And if you don't like them, return them within 90 days. Doesn't get much easier than that.
Love it. Thanks, guys.
See you there.